Hey everybody, Bobby Brown, and I'm out here today with my Lucio Loyola Spanish 12 gauge double barrel shotgun. I know the camera's having a hard time focusing, but right here is the Loyola badge or medallion, if you will, on the barrels. I'll try to show you a closer look at the gun in the next video that I post. But for now, I want to shoot it and take out these jugs over here. Let me get my ears on. That's a lot of fun. Stay tuned for a closer look in the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bobby Brown. Keep it pointed in a safe direction.